Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Recipe of Donut. If you like my recipe, please subscribe, like, comment and share it. Today's recipe is Chingri Malai Curry. Add 1 teaspoon of salt with 2 tablespoons of mustard powder to making a mustard powder paste. Before adding mustard powder, please add some salt. Otherwise, paste taste can be bitter. Add the paste in the lobster, which is marinated by salt and turmeric. Then add 2 tablespoons of coconut powder, one cup of coconut milk. Instead of coconut milk, you can use normal milk also. Milk enhances the taste of this recipe. Then add 3 to 6 pieces green chili as per your taste. Spread 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. To make a gravy, add half cup of water. Mix it well. Now it is time to microwave it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now it is ready to serve with rice. Thank you.